And I think he suggested this beautiful thing. It is not dependent on the number of neurons.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the key takeaway.
How much brain
Right.
you can cover the network.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And each and every this is what Guruji was saying. If you see, we say sentient beings. Each and every being on earth is born with a certain siddhi. Like birds can fly, I cannot fly. So it is
Yes.
an inborn siddhi in birds. Fishes can swim,
Mm.
I cannot swim. Okay, like naturally. So it is an inborn siddhi. Like humans are born with an inborn siddhi as well. So there is an inborn siddhi in each and every particular being. That's the sentience of that being. And what Niraj said about the mathematics and grammar, and this is a beautiful thing which Guruji had talked about. Um, this entire concept of I was attending one of the classes very early by Leonard Susskind in Stanford University on quantum physics, and the first class he talked about an ancient Cro-Magnon man coming out of his cave in the morning, and he had to open the cave by removing the boulder. And he has no concept of sines and cosines and tangents, but he knows exactly where to put the pressure to get the boulder out, right? So he said that these are certain mathematical things which the ancient from all animals, every human beings is doing those mathematical calculations. It's not necessary that you need to know cosines and tangents. He has no, like when the cheetah is running after the antelope. He has no concept of relative velocity, right? I in a class will have to work out the relative velocity equation, but the cheetah knows exactly how to speed up and then jump on the antelope, right? So he has no concept of relative velocity. So these mathematical constructs are already there in the universe, which means that this is a mathematical universe.
Yes.
This is a mathematical universe.
There is
Yes,
a
it's
beautiful
very much
book
like
also.
in the
Hmm?
There is a
Upanishads,
beauty.
they say that spider doesn't know where his web comes from.
Yeah.
I think there is a beautiful work by Max Tegmark, Our Mathematical
Yeah,
Universe.
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
will
yeah,
share
yeah,
that.
yeah,
I
yeah,
am
I
yeah,
will
the
share
yeah,
in the group.
I am
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. I'm thinking of getting Max also.